One afternoon, a young man was trying to work in a bustling coffee shop. He was irritated by an elderly woman sitting nearby who kept humming a distracting tune. He thought to himself, "If she weren't so old, I'd tell her to be quiet." He noticed her struggling to open a small jar. She fumbled with it for several minutes. Fed up, he started to pack his bag ready to leave. Just as he was zipping his laptop case, the woman finally twisted the lid open. She took a small spoonful for her scone, then gently pushed the jar towards him with a warm smile, gesturing to his own plain bread. As he looked down, he was startled to see his own headphones were unplugged from his laptop, the faint humming tune still playing. "If my music is playing," he realized in shock, "then the humming was mine all along." Too late to accept her kindness, he understood with a deep sense of shame that he was the disruptive one, the judgmental one, the fool. Before you judge someone, make sure you're not the one making the noise.